How to deposit on Bitfinex. If you want to deposit on Bitfinex, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is launch the Bitfinex app, and this is normally the interface that you will be able to see. From the bottom of the navigation menu, you can find an option that says Wallets. So tap on the Wallets tab. There you can see a down arrow icon indicating the deposit option. But you must also understand that only account with verification label basic, plus or higher can deposit. So if you have not yet upgraded your account and done the verification, you must make sure to verify that. Then after that, you can tap on this deposit button, choose the type of funds you'd like to deposit, choose the payment method, and then you'll be able to deposit onto Bitfinex. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.